So I've got this 100 envelopes money saving challenge binder. Let's take this bag off, and as you can see, it's like really soft leather, like outside on this binder. And let's open it now. Really cool. This is what you have inside. You have some tips here. This is also waterproof, so no water is gonna get inside. And then we have the challenge tracker, and then we have this laminated sheets which have numbers on them, so you know what day you are in saving. And then you have this is also like waterproof, and you have this pocket like design where you can put the money in, just like I'm gonna show you right now. So it's the first day and you just saved £10. That's how it looks, and you're gonna see all the pounds that you saved. And maybe you want to save for a wedding, maybe you want to save for something you want to buy, a laptop or something else. You can just start saving money, and you're gonna be like, I'm gonna put £10 every day. This is where I save my money, £10 every day, and by this day I'm gonna have this amount of money. Really easy, very cool. This is waterproof, laminated. I like the pockets. You can clearly see them and they're numbered, so you know which day you've saved and which you didn't. And you have this binder that you can also open like that, and if you want you can take this out. If you have that one to make holes, you can add stuff for yourself as well, extra stuff. But this is what you get, up to 100. And also this tracker. You can have it with you if you want, put it in a bag, carry it anywhere you want, carry your cash. This much I have left. I've just added 5 days worth of money, so you can see how it looks. That's how it looks. And here is the pocket, or the second one, easy to put in, really nice.